Okay, so hi guys. So we're on the road today. We're at Halfway Tree. So today we have a few little things to do. Mom has some, little bills and stuff to pay. Today I'm going to be doing my nails. I'm going to this place at Village Plaza. So I'm going to be doing my nails there. So first time I'm going there, because I usually do it by myself, but this time I want something long lasting. So I'm going there today.
So Paris, me I go leave share nail tech and me I go move around but somebody was suggesting to me to pay my bills online. Me not so brady. I can't pay if you walk up and down and pay them at the whole time I see go through. So we go through the plaza here.
So we're upstairs at Village now, and I've reached the nail place right here. It's called Polished. So mom is going to follow me inside. Yeah, mom is going to follow me inside.
Yeah, but me I go leave you in there.
Yeah, and then she'll go pay her bills, and then when I'm near to finish, I'll call her, and she'll come back for me. So I'm just showing you guys outside, basically how everything's there.
We are in Village Plaza, across from Highland Grill. Ports that would be in Twin Gates. And of course, they are their own territory, and we have Burger King cross there. She had turned to go inside our nail place. Show them inside there, although you can't see it. So it's basically what is gonna be happening. So today I gonna be one kind of little long day because the nail business I gotta take up time in Paris. So I'm gonna do my business. See, so we catch you the back a little bit, eh? Alright, look at me here now. I'm having a Wendy's milkshake inside a Wendy's. I went from Cameroon to still. With the rounds that we go to the supermarket and we come back and still bread. I can take the acetone and something like that, what chemicals to do. And take it, so I just decide to come chill out differently and wait on her. Out of Hanson Spring Road. Of the traffic. So it's like pretty busy for a Monday. Reasonably busy, not pretty. As you know, graduation season is on.
Alright guys, so I'm home now from the nail salon. This is what I decided to do. I didn't want anything too extra. I decided to go with just some simple yellow coffin nails. I don't want them too tall, and I didn't want them too short. So these are perfectly fine for me. So we just got home, and it's like about 4 near 5 in the evening now, and we left the house like at 12:30 near 1.
Which 12:30?
1?
Stop it, yeah.
Around 1?
I left almost about something to 11.
Oh yes, something to 11. So that's how long we have been on the road for today. Mom is exhausted, I myself am exhausted because I had to be sitting in the chair the whole time. But it worked out for me today, and I'm really happy with my nails. I like how they turned out. As I said, I didn't want anything too extravagant. I just wanted something simple that can go with whatever I'm wearing or stuff like that. So that's basically a little bit of update later on. So we're going to rest off now, and then later on, guys, we're going to come back and we're just going to end the video. Me and mom are going to end the video with you guys.
Good morning, Paris. Good morning. It's another day. It's Tuesday. We never get to finish with vlog yesterday. Hope you're having a blessed morning. Hope you're having a blessed day. I put 2 little brushing in a little area. Going on the road to again. I'm going to deal with a business. Fast and quick this one. Because when I come back, coming back home, get some more
footage in for you and forget the video up. So I hope you're having a blessed day. Hope you're having a better day than I am. It's all me a sweat. Me I go brush up my ear and then I go in the shower this so. Into the shower and bath to go get a little egg wash out of the barrel water. But I promise you before this week is out, I'm gonna show you how we have to bathe when the water no come with the shower. Would you like to see that? Comment. So me I go up on the road, you know, me I think this me in my towel, me there me just a sweat and me just a along, so me I run up on the road and all of that. And as I said, hope you're having a blessed day. If you're going on the road, remember to put the coverage on while going out, coverage for while out there, coverage while going out, coverage while coming back, and put on the coverage for the local dwelling. Ask for the coverage and the protection for the local dwelling whilst you're on the road. So it's like, you know, say good morning, camera girl.
Good morning, guys.
So camera girl is on summer break and all of that, and you know you will see as we go along. So me I run go deal with a little issue, but I'm supposed to get deal with it when I come back. Me tell you now, see, and I'm going to make a stop at the meat shop. So me now we try to see if I can get a little footage in. It won't be a lot there though, cause me I come back. Me not too much of the road today. Catch you.
The crossroad there now. Yeah, me make one stop across already to go deal with that issue. And me straight up there, so I all up road this, you know, yeah. And up here case in the morning. I don't even know the road so busy. Because the working hour gone already. But me I head up to Azan. Make the way up at top of the so. And now you me I breathe, me tired. As I hold it around, me make already. So I'm up on the street here, so. And I go for Azan. Just gonna pick up about three things. 3 or 4 little things, hopefully. And I go stop at a meat shop. All of that. So I am so tired. I'm gonna have breakfast before me leave. So I have to try some here to fast. Oh, the sun is so out in all its glory. You gotta do what you gotta do. Wow. I hope I get tomorrow and Thursday off. Cause from my schedule, I have to be back out again Thursday. Maybe I have to go market Thursday. And I've got an appointment on Friday. And I saw Jamaica and Debbie Deb's life go on for the time being. I'm so tired. Because I move fast, you know, Barry, because I can't walk slow, you know. I'm a fast walker. So, as on the way up the road. So, I'm not hardly hear me, I know. I try to talk over the whole stuff for them. So, I know maybe I don't listen about me at the meat shop. I'm not going to go against their rules. They don't want you vlogging in their place. So, I catch you now. Okay, Paris, I come back home. Long time I come back home. See, camera girl, I say, Mommy, wet up. I say, a real thing, and water I carry me wet up. From bathroom to kitchen. So, camera girl, shoot down, look how much empty bottle we have. Water. The water went from about 5:36 yesterday. And now it's like about 2:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, about 2:30 now. From about 5, today is Tuesday, and we went on the road yesterday, as you will see in the vlog. So we are continuing our vlog today. So when we came, I come on about, yeah man, I come on about 6 o'clock or after 6 it went. And when I come, a little was here, but I was so tired. I just got throw down on the floor for to stretch up myself. I was so drained, Barry. So when I woke up, I never really wake up. I was sleeping. I was just resting up. When I got up like about 7:30, the water never there. And it went, Dad said it went long before that. And until this minute at about 2:30, I'm talking to you. No water, nothing, no way, not even on the land pipe. Paris, I'm going to go up on the road this man, I'm going to come back and back. And guess what? It has been a long time I not cook no dinner. My feet for look rice and peas, some chicken and callaloo. So look here now. Me I go try my best, you know. No water. But I just move from pillar to post all the way a bottle up. Or a bottle up for cooking at the kitchen and for drink it finish. Normally sometimes I boil water too. Because some of these water, I don't like, I've bought so much of them. You know, I buy them to my week. I'm going to have to ask Jerry to buy them for me because I bring them in the car. I can't just buy them so, you know. So probably I have to just ask him to buy some more later when I come for me.
So that's where we are right now, and it is getting more and more intense. I'm thinking of getting, Daddy saying, Debbie, let us get one of those tanks. But then again, when we get the tank, I forgot buy pump. I don't have the money to buy pump and tank. Parry, if I get the tank, the pressure of the water when it do come, it need a pump to pump it up. It's not gonna go up in that tank. If it can't go up in the hose, or it will go up in the tank. So that's where I'm at. Hope you're having a good day. So far, me not have a good day, but I'm still giving thanks and me a fighting. So me I go try to prepare dinner. As me go along, we make me them chicken there out, piece there so soak and ready. So me I go put it for pressure, and I'm from this kitchen to the other kitchen. But by the time the vlog is finished, I'll let you know, I'll give you a little update on what is happening. We get something, another piece of furniture, and we give God the glory. That's what I went to look about, something about it this morning. It came, but it had a little problem. It was minor, so they came and fixed it when we did go up on the road this morning. So look here, we are rolling and we are going. So it's not easy, but as so is life. Nothing in this life comes easy. If it come easy, it not gonna work. Catch you in the next clip. So Parry, this is where I'm at with dinner. I just put in my chicken them, and me go cover them now to let them go and steam down the cup, and then we start make the gravy, you know. I look for indoor brown stew for. That's just natural brown. I don't know it already. I do no tutorial, but that's a show now. So the look rice and peas that is on it finished. I am so tired, Paris, and I am seriously hungry. I'm never stop till I get in my callaloo, because I want the callaloo. So look here, I'm now going to dish out panda vavia. No, nothing. But just I go eat, and then see if we can get some water, catch a hog wash, and then when we finish, we just end the vlog, you know. And you know, we just drop in a little positive note for all our sisters in them and all our brethren in them where just feel like say it more than them sometimes. You know, I'll feel so too. So catch you back in the next clip, eh? So Paris, basically I am not fully in bed. I'm just lying down. I'm just chilling a bit. I had some dinner and me drained. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm drained. So, but I want to finish the vlog. So I just come back to say thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channels. Thank you for leaving comments for us below when you watch our videos. Thank you for even encouraging us, even when we did that little challenge, camera girl and myself, and I shared what, just some little, as one of the Paris say, some little slow learner, some little black backbenchers, them Laverne, big up yourself, thank you so much. And sometimes, I know it, but sometimes you just want to share. You just feel like you want to say something, them kind of way there. Yeah, man. So we're gonna leave it here for now. Remember, if you're going through anything that seems like forever, and by the way, I never get no water come up in the shower, so I just use the barrel water, So the little that we're catching this evening was a bit cool, so it kind of cooled me down and so on. Some of us I give thanks, hoping that tomorrow might be a better day, but it seems as if it's gonna go again tonight. But we just have to work around it and try to make the best of it, and then try to see if we can work on a tank. I don't know that part there go, but we will see how it go. Just want to encourage, if you're going through anything that is so long, something that has been going on forever. I understand. I know. I have been there, and I'm still here going through. I just want to say to you, weeping may endure for a night, but joy, and just not any joy, sweet joy, cometh in the morning. You might hear Dada catch water and a throat in a barrel in the background. You might hear water throat in a barrel and Dada throat water. So I'm going to leave it here for now. And never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.